In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Markdown formatting in Jira Issue Descriptions. If you want your Jira tickets to look cleaner and be easier for your team to read, Markdown can really help. It lets you structure your description with headings, emphasis, and lists, so important details stand out instead of blending into one big block of text. To begin, log into Jira and either open an existing issue or create a new one. Once you're inside the issue, go to the description field. This is the area where you'll enter the main details of the ticket, and it's where your formatting will be applied. Next, click inside the description field and check what type of editor Jira is showing you. In some versions, you may already be able to type formatting directly. In others, you might see a rich text editor first. If that happens, look for an option labeled Markdown, Markup, or a code style icon that looks like closing and opening brackets. If your Jira version supports it, select that option to enable formatting input. Keep in mind that Jira can look slightly different depending on your workspace settings, so the exact button may vary. Once you're in the correct mode, you can start using basic Markdown syntax. For bold text, place 2 asterisks before and after the words you want to emphasize. For italic text, use a single asterisk on each side. To create headings, use a hash symbol at the beginning of the line. 1 hash creates a main heading, and 2 hashes create a subheading. For lists, you can use simple bullet points or numbered items to break information into clear sections. Now, add formatting to your issue description. Write your issue details using Markdown syntax and organize the content in a way that makes the ticket easy to scan. A practical structure is to separate the problem, the steps to reproduce it, the expected result, and the actual result. This kind of layout helps teammates, testers, and developers quickly understand what's going on without having to guess or reread the description multiple times. Finally, preview your formatting. Jira may automatically render the markdown as you type, or it may provide a preview of how the description will look once saved. Take a moment to check your spacing, list alignment, and heading structure. Small formatting fixes can make a big difference in readability. With just a few Markdown basics, you can make your Jira issue descriptions much clearer, more professional, and easier for your team to act on.